I've just gone through and finished buttoning up the fuel system on my HQ. Very, very tight up this back end now. Exhaust, fuel lines, tank, which is a very tight little area. Really can't get my camera in there to sort of show you the top of the tank. It's got the VE welding ring with a the welding ring with a VE fuel pump sitting in it. Dash 8 line running up and over, dodging everything there. Through the chassis, just down the side of the body. Nice Raceworks fuel filter, quick little alloy strap behind that, holds that in place. Underneath there, this curls around the corner. On top we can see this where it comes around the bend there. I just got it stinking around out in the void there between the guard and the body. Over the heater box, just ducking over the fuel rail. Right across the back, right the fuel rails, dash 6 across the front, so to a fuel pressure rig up the front there. Gave it a couple of primes, just holding pressure just nice. I can't see any leaks in it, which I'm really happy about, considering some of these Teflon fittings are not much fun to put together. Did have a bit of a, yeah, probably still a few metal splinters in my fingers from those. They were great. Now just sort of dodging up a bit of a airflow meter on the front of this. I haven't had this thing flashed yet. Air temps there, MAF in it, just to see what will happen. I've cranked it over, get some oil pressure up to it. I'm pretty excited to see if this thing will do anything. Oh, let's turn the key and see what happens. Not really sure what's happening with that. I'll have to have a bit of a poke around and see what I can find. It's building oil pressure up nice and quick though. I've had a bit of a look around. A couple of things I've come across. First thing is I'm thinking because it's ECU's out of a VX Commodore, that the VATS may be playing a part in this. If I plug my OBD unit in, I do have no faults showing, but yeah, I'm not really sure. The other thing I've come across is, if I start it up, a very brief tack signal. I'm not sure if that's right or not, but yeah. Well, it's starting to try. I suppose what I do have to keep in mind is that, obviously being a stock ECU, it does have the stock throttle position sensor and stock idle air control on it, but does have 650cc injectors on it, quite a large cam, so it's not going to be 100%. I've got something coming for the computer on Friday. I'll see if I can remove the VATS out of the ECU, and yeah, see how we go from there.